Thank you. Amazing. So, welcome to the session, how to generate 30 to 40 plus hot inbound leads. Here we are going to talk about inbound leads, right? With who are hot, not warm, not cold, but hot inbound leads. So, the problem you might be facing right now while generating and converting leads is you're running after clients in the DMs doing cold outreach, right? In the very first message, you're sending them your links to your offers, or you're telling them what do you do and how can you help them know, right? Or you are attracting broke people who ultimately tell you that I don't have money. I cannot afford your services. I cannot spend that $1,000, $1,500, or even $500, right? Can you please do the service for free? Or you post 5 days a week and still you do not get any inbound leads and the circle goes on. This is a vicious trap that you are in right now, right? But there is an opportunity to make $10,000, right? So the first thing we start with is your goal. What is your revenue goal? That is $10,000, right? So now we reverse engineer that goal. How do we reverse engineer that goal is we have set a goal, okay, we are going to make $10,000 this month in August. So we are going to keep our price point, the offer price, at $2,500. Okay. So number of clients needed to hit that goal is 4. The math is easy here. 10,000 divided by 2,500, 4 clients you need per month. Okay. So for these 4 clients, what is the conversion rate, which we have seen, right? On an average, the conversion rate is 20%. So how many calls do you need to take in order to convert these number of clients? The math here is 4 divided by 20%. Simple unitary method we have followed. 4 divided by 20%, 20 calls, 20 sales call you need to take in a month in order to convert these clients. Okay, now in order to book these 20, in order to go on these 20 sales calls, how many sales call do you need to book in a month, right? It's not like 100% people are showing up on the sales calls. So we have seen an 80% show up rate. The average of the industry is also 80%, right? People who book the call and show up on the call. That's 80%. So again, by following unitary method, 20 divided by 80% is you need 25 calls to be booked in a month, right? 25 calls in a month means 6 to 7 calls in a week. 25 divided by 4, because we have 4 weeks in a month. So that is simple. 6 to 7 calls per week you need to have booked in your system. And I believe that is not a difficult thing to do. Please let me know in the chat box if the math is clear, if the opportunity here is clear. If it's not clear, please let me know your doubts. It's clear, I believe. Okay. Now, coming on to the 2 strategies to generate hot inbound leads for which we are here at this time. Right? Please let me know in the chat box if you are excited. Type in me in the chat box if you are excited to know the 2 strategies which we are going to tell without further ado, how to generate hot inbound leads in your system. Okay, amazing. Now, tell me how many of you think $10,000 is achievable? See, money is a type of energy. I've always said it, right? It is a type of energy. If your energy is not high, and if you are telling yourself that, I cannot make it, I cannot do it, I think other people are also, sometimes we tell ourselves that, okay, other people are also not doing it. They're just saying it. But actually, people are hitting this goal. So you need to first think that you can achieve in order to achieve this, right? Now, the first strategy we are going to talk about today is the client magnet funnel, right? It's a 15 days sprint which we have outlined here, which utilizes Instagram and LinkedIn to draw in and convert top quality leads into potential customers, right? If you follow this 15-day sprint, you are definitely 100% gonna hit, you're gonna attract hot inbound leads and convert those leads into paying clients, right? We're gonna talk about 5 parts under this funnel, 5 very, very important parts. The first part is where you establish the foundations, right? Just like a building has foundations so that it does not fall, it does not collapse. Similarly, your business should have very, very strong foundations so that it does not collapse for it to be sustainable. Okay, so what are these foundations? The first thing which you need to do is define your ideal client. Identify their needs, their desires, and their preferred platforms. Where do they hang out the most? Who are your ideal clients? Someone is on. Yeah. Okay. So you have to define. You need to know who is it that you want to serve. Whether you are a coach, or you're an online service provider like social media manager, graphic designer, video editor, whosoever you are, you need to know who is your ideal client, what are their needs, what are their desires, what are their goals, and where do they hang out the most, right? Let's say you are giving video editing services for someone who does not even post on Instagram, or who has not even put any video on their LinkedIn profile, and you're pitching your video editing services to them, right? So that's why you need to be very clear about your ideal client. Next thing which you do is we'll study how to do that, right? In the upcoming slides, you'll see how to define your ideal client. Next thing you do is develop a strong value proposition. You need to clearly explain how your product, your digital product, or your service addresses their primary challenge, right? We are all in the business to serve, right? To give a solution to a problem which is existent in the market. If there's no problem, there's no solution. So you need to know which challenge of the market you are addressing via your product or service. This is foundation. Part 1 is foundation. Now we are going to talk about part 2, right? Once the foundations are clear, you have to create a valuable freebie. You create a free resource directly related to your main offering that tackles your audience's pain points. Okay. Part 3 is where you build your lead capture funnel. Okay. What does this entail? You are creating an engaging squeeze page. What is a squeeze page? It's a form kind of thing, right? It's a form where you are collecting emails and names of your ideal clients, of people who are facing that challenge and are ready to, take your freebie, take your free resource. So what is a squeeze page? What does a squeeze page do? It collects traffic from all platforms and then squeezes everything into one place, squeezes the name and email IDs into one place. Okay, so you create an engaging squeeze page to collect their email addresses in exchange for the lead magnet. You set up an automated system like ManyChat on Instagram, and there is Octopus CRM for LinkedIn to deliver the lead magnet and include a call to action for a free consultation or a discovery call. Okay, this is the part 3. Part 1, foundations established. Part 2, you created a freebie around that challenge which you saw that market is having. Then part 3 is wherein you actually build a funnel to collect, emails and names of those people who are interested in your freebie. Then comes the part 4, where you maximize your reach and engagement on Instagram and LinkedIn. Obviously, you need traffic, right? In order to promote your freebie, you need the traffic in place. So first thing you do is optimize your profile, where you clearly communicate your value proposition and link to the squeeze page, right? You tell that, okay, this is where you define your value proposition. So how you are helping it, you define on your profile, and you also give link to your squeeze page. So whoever is visiting your profile ends up putting their name and email address on your squeeze page. You build pre-launch hype, right? Before launching your lead magnet, you hype it up. create excitement for it with countdowns, polls,
हाँ
or LinkedIn posts.
कर दियो
Someone is on unmute. Please mute yourself.
Please, guys, mute yourself whenever you join.
The next thing which you do is launch your lead magnet. You have optimized your profile, you have built pre-launch hype. Now you are going to launch your lead magnet, right? You promote it with clear call to action, as in download this again and again, right? You nurture and engage your audience by sharing valuable insights from your lead magnet. Showcase social proof through client testimonials and consultations. In the pre-launch hype also, you can give this lead magnet to 2 or 3 people or 5 people maybe, and collect these client testimonials as to how did they like that lead magnet, and then showcase it while you're launching it. You can host a live Q&A session to address questions, and you can also promote your lead magnet there, right? Like we did in last time. We actually taught you something, and then we gave you the document too. You can share client success stories to demonstrate the value you offer. Okay, this is the part 4 where you're maximizing your reach and engagement on social media platforms. In part 5, sometimes we are very much confident that people are going to download. People download too, right? But what mistake do you do is you stop your promotion here only. After part 4, you're all done. Once you've launched it, you're all done. But no, there comes a part 5 where you continuously promote and nurture your leads. You share it regularly across multiple platforms. And once you share the link of the landing page in the DMs, right? People who are messaging you in the DMs that, okay, please share me the lead magnet, and you send across your squeeze page, you nurture those leads further in the DMs by asking the right set of questions. We have already given you a doc on how to ask the right set of questions in the DMs. Whosoever has not received the doc can message us on WhatsApp, right, by using the keyword doc. Okay, whosoever wants the document training on that particular DM strategy. Now we have understood the 5 parts under client magnet funnel. Now we'll see the day-wise sprint, what you need to do every day in order to get hot inbound leads, right? So day one, you are revisiting the foundation. We'll begin by addressing the key questions to define the core elements: your target market, your ideal client, your main problem which you solve, and your custom solution to the problem you're solving. These 4 things need to be defined anytime you're launching your lead magnet, or anytime you're doing, you're launching your offer as well. So let's see how to actually how to use ChatGPT in order to see what your ideal client is. One second. Is my screen visible? Is ChatGPT visible to you? Okay. Great. So the prompt one we are using is write a client persona for a coach who is learning less than $5,000 a month, who wants to make $10,000 per month consistently in their coaching business by positioning themselves as a go-to coach. Increase in leads, traffic, and revenue. Include their background, demographics, pain points, goals, desired solution, and approach. This is our ideal client, right? Now we want ChatGPT to create a persona out of it. So I'll just give a prompt, and ChatGPT will give me everything related to my ideal client. It has given me a name, Jordan Taylor, right? Whose age is 32. Location, he's given me demographic information. He's given me personal background. Jordan has been working as a life coach for the past 4 years, focusing on helping mid-career professionals navigate career transition and personal development. Jordan has a background in psychology with a master's degree and has worked in human resources before transitioning into coaching. He's also given the current situation, his current situation. What is he doing currently, right? What is his gender, education, marital status, income level? This is the ideal client persona for me, Ayushi, who's a business coach. ChatGPT has given us the pain points which, he has: inconsistent client flow, low market visibility, scaling challenges. He's not able to scale. Lead generation. He's not able to generate quality leads. What are his goals? Income stability. He wants a consistent monthly income of $10,000, right? He wants client base expansion. He wants to grow his client base beyond the local area through online marketing. Online presence. He wants to develop a strong online presence. These are his desires, his goals. Operational scaling, implement systems and processes that allow for handling of more clients without compromising the quality of coaching, right? What is the desired solution of this person, of this ideal client? Branding and positioning. Now, whoever is a brand strategist here, this ideal client persona is the right fit for him, right? A comprehensive branding strategy that highlights Jordan's unique coaching style and successful client transformations to differentiate them from competitors. A digital marketing strategy, lead gen system in place, sales funnel optimization. These are his desired solutions. And what should be his approach? He should do personalized marketing. He should develop professionally in continuous learning and professional development to stay updated with the latest coaching techniques and business strategies. Should participate in networking and partnerships and technology utilization, utilizing CRM and other technology tools to manage client interaction, follow-ups, and scheduling. Now, ChatGPT has given you full ideal client persona. You can tweak this persona according to your thing in mind, whatever ideal client you have in mind, right? You can tweak this persona or you can use it as it is. Okay. This is how you create your ideal client persona. Next day, you are choosing a key product or service in your business that you intend to sell at the conclusion of 15-day sprint. Obviously, your lead magnet is a teaser to your main offer. So you should know your main offer. You should choose your main offer that you intend to sell at the conclusion of 15-day sprint. In these 15 days, we are marketing our lead magnet. But after 15 days, there will be people who are interested in your services because of that lead magnet. So you should know that what is your offer. On third day, you are creating a lead magnet, which is a teaser of your main offer, as I just said. For example, your main offer is, let's say, social media dominance intensive, a one-on-one coaching program designed for coaches to nail their social media presence. So what will be your lead magnet? A social media audit template, right? The same thing is good to go for social media managers also, right? Who are providing a done for you service. They can also give a social media audit template as their lead magnet. Okay. Now that you have created your lead magnet on day 3, on day 4, you will build out a lead magnet funnel. Now, how will you build that lead magnet funnel? First thing, you will create a squeeze page requesting the name and email of the lead interested in downloading the lead magnet. How will you create the squeeze page? You can easily do it on free softwares like Topmate or System.io. System.io lets you generate 3 funnels for free. And Topmate is an amazing platform to do this. It's also free. Topmate.io. Okay. So you create a squeeze page. Please do not, request too much information. You give me your phone number also. You give me your LinkedIn profile also, Instagram also. You just want name and email ID. That's it. Or whatever 2 things you want. Not more than 2. The next thing you do is post capturing the information. You deliver the lead magnet via email, which they have dropped in your squeeze page. You can automate the whole flow using Topmate and System.io also, right? Or you can use a free software called MailerLite for email marketing. Okay. Now, important note here is make sure that you add a CTA to your lead magnet to book a free discovery call with you, where you will be able to explore your lead's current situation and provide them with a tailored solution. Right? Your lead magnet, whatever it is, an ebook, a checklist, a cheat sheet, whatever it is, a training, it should 100% have a lead CTA at the end of it. CTA saying to book a call with you. right? If you have given social media audit template to someone in their emails or in their DMs, it should have a CTA at any cost. Otherwise, there's no point of giving this freebie. Then on the 5th day, you will add a link to your bio on Instagram and LinkedIn. This link must be that of your squeeze page or the landing page which you have created above. Okay. On day 6, is it clear? Day 1 to 5 is clear. Any doubts, any silliest of the silliest doubt which you might think, okay, I should not ask. Please ask. For Facebook
मुझे
ads expert, you can give for Facebook ads expert, you can give an ebook on how to run Facebook ads. A specific ebook, specific targeting a specific problem. Keep this in mind that your lead magnet should be valuable. If you give out anything and everything in your lead magnet, no one will see you as an expert. No one will book a call with you. That is for sure. Your lead magnet is a trailer of your offer. If you believe your offer is good, if you believe your services are good, your lead magnet should be good. Do not gatekeep information. We'll see if the recordings will be provided. We'll take a poll at the end of it and see. Okay. Now, on day 6, what we are doing is we're starting the pre-launch sequence on your Instagram stories and LinkedIn posts, right? To build hype so that people are more intrigued as to, okay, what is this person? What is Siddharth going to launch? Right? What is Shivani going to launch? So that builds hype. And also, it actually entrusts people who are actually, intrigued in your services. So who are already on the edge of buying from you, they actually make them hotter. So example of the story is something huge is coming up in 4 days. Okay, so that way you can build a hype. On day 7, you are again hyping your lead magnet by starting a countdown, or you can always create LinkedIn events. Go to LinkedIn events and create an event out of it. That, okay, on this particular day, I am going to launch something. On day 8, you continue to build hype by sharing spoilers of the lead magnet in your content pieces. How do you share spoilers? You just, show one, either the name of the lead magnet and nothing at all. Everything else is hidden, but the name is visible. Right? If you guys are fans of Deadpool, you must have seen they gave so many spoilers before even the movie was premiered. So many spoilers were given. That got me at least intrigued. Similar thing is happening here. On day 9, you create valuable content. Content which gives educational stuff out on both Instagram and LinkedIn around your lead magnet. Your content's main focus will be on the lead magnet that you have created. Okay, let's say you have created lead magnet around DMs. Okay, I will tell you how to generate leads through DMs, or I will tell you how to get paying clients through DMs. So I will create a content piece, educational content piece around DMs without launching. I have not launched my lead magnet yet, but I am giving educational stuff around DMs beforehand only. On day 10, you will launch the lead magnet and promote the same on your IG stories and reels and LinkedIn content. Right? Now, what has happened? क्या हुआ है अभी तक? Before day 10, you have actually warmed them up a lot. Using this pre-launch sequence, you have warmed your audience up. Now they are waiting in the pipeline for you to launch your lead magnet. On day 10, when you have launched your lead magnet, there will be plenty of people who are downloading it. If you skip this part and directly launch the lead magnet, you will not see a major influx. Okay. On day 11, you will break down the lead magnet. What is it that you're doing? You tell the people, tell your audience, what is it about? What will they get inside? Why do they need it? How is it going to be instrumental in shifting their life or business? Plus a CTA to download the lead magnet, right? You can do it via text. You can do it via videos. Show them what is a lead magnet about and what does it entail. Okay. On day 12, you will promote the lead magnet via entertainment reels or content time. Okay. So you guys must have seen, let me show you what I did. Okay. Sorry. So this is what an entertainment post looks like. He said yes, and you were invited too. I was so nervous to ask him. This means the world to me, but it was so unexpected. Here's a story. I dressed up in my best outfit and took him to our favorite little restaurant for dinner. He was looking handsome as always, his dark hair perfectly styled, beard perfectly done, and he smiled as we reminisced about the memories together. Or maybe he was just thinking about the food, but I like to think it was a former. With my heart racing and time ticking away, the moment had come. I took a deep breath, got down on one knee, and asked him, "Will you join me?" He looked puzzled and said, "What?" Said, "Will you join me in my free masterclass?" So, how entertaining is it? So many people, sent me messages. So many people commented on this. Had been the first half. So many people. So try to be entertaining here. Next, on day 13, you will show the BTS of your audience who are booking free strategy calls with you. Now, people who have downloaded your lead magnet, and since your lead magnet has a CTA, that okay, book a discovery call with me. And some people will book a discovery call with you, so you can show the BTS of that. That okay, people are booking calls with us, And then you can again give a CTA to download the lead magnet. On day 14, post a question and answer session on your Instagram stories or go live on Instagram, or you can again use in LinkedIn events in which you answer frequently asked questions about your lead magnet plus core offerings and give a CTA, directing them to download the lead magnet. Right? So this clears all the doubts that they have around your offerings. Why? Because you created your lead magnet as a teaser of your main offer. So they'll have questions about your main offer too. On day 15, you are going to share a client's case study who used your lead magnet to achieve X transformation in Y days, plus a CTA directing them to download the same. Easy enough? This is going to bring in so many leads, but this is not going to bring you leads if you, leave it, if you promote it on just one day and, expect people to download, expect 40, 50 people to download. As long as you don't have an audience of 100K, 200K, please maintain this promotional sequence. Please do this high pre-launch event too. Pre-launch and launch both are necessary for lead magnets if you want people to book call with you. Right? Let's see how can you create lead magnets via ChatGPT. You already know what are lead magnets, right? It can be ebook, it can be your checklist, it can be your webinars, right? If you're a coach, you can always do webinars, live events. So these are all lead magnets. Now let's look at the prompts which you can give ChatGPT in order to create these lead magnets. Okay. Now you already know that, ChatGPT has created a client persona for you. In the same chat, don't switch chats. In the same chat, give another prompt. Suggest me 10 ideas for ebook on the above persona to solve their problem. Okay, we'll copy this and we'll paste it here for an ebook. We'll do it. Now it has given me 10 ideas. from coach to building your coaching business for consistent 10K months, leveraging online marketing for coaching success, mastering the visibility playbook, systems for success. It has given me ideas on systems, high converting sales funnels. Okay, advanced techniques for client retention. I'll choose one. Okay, let's say I choose this fifth idea. Okay, I'll give them another prompt. Give me 10 strong hooks for idea number 5. Give me 10 strong hooks for idea number 5. It'll give me 10, 5 very strong hooks. You can tweak these hooks according to your preferences, but you've gotten an idea as to what to do, right? So once it has given me hooks, I will also tell ChatGPT to write 5 chapters for this ebook. Okay, I'll tell him, okay, use hook 10 and write 5 chapters for the ebook. Okay, now it has given me 5 chapters. Now I can always give ChatGPT a prompt that expand on these chapters in less than 200 keywords. Expand on chapter number 1 in less than. So it'll write all chapters for you. All the chapters for you. Let's take an example, right? Chapter 1 in 400, less than 400 keywords. Then you can also give it a prompt, use emojis and make it interesting. You can always tell ChatGPT to act as a copywriter. So ChatGPT will go all over the internet and see how copywriters write and write your chapters accordingly. Do not copy and paste. Copy paste these, but always go through it. Always go through each and every sentence that ChatGPT has given you and tweak according, because ultimately you are the expert. ChatGPT is not an expert. ChatGPT is giving you an idea as to what to do. You are the expert. Add your own expertise as to what should a person do. Okay, it has given me a full chapter on it. Right? You can increase the keywords. You can do it 1,000, 1,500, as much as you like. It will also give you ideas on free training if you're doing a free training, if you're a coach. Webinars, on master classes, everything. You will get the ideas from here. Okay. So if anybody wants this prompt, these prompts, please write prompt in the chat box, and or it would be better if you message us on WhatsApp with the keyword prompt, and we'll send you this document across. Now, these are the results which we have got, right? When we do this with people we don't even know, right? And this Sandy is our client now. Okay. So this is the one strategy which does not fail at all times. Only works if your lead magnet is good enough. If you're not gatekeeping information. If it is not trash. Right? So over to Shivani. Shivani will explain you the next very, very cool strategy which we have in place.
Yeah. So let me just share my screen. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So the next strategy that we're going to use to attract leads in our DMs, or like to generate leads, is free Facebook groups. So a lot of you know that Facebook is a gold mine. Okay, through Facebook we can generate like thousands of leads, because there are a lot of people who are like in these groups who are looking for specific services, right? Now but nobody like tells you exactly what to do in these Facebook groups, or like which Facebook groups to join and what exactly you need to post. So today I'm going to give you an exact roadmap on how to do that. All right. But before that, let's move to the mistakes that you might be making here. First of all, you ignore Facebook thinking it is outdated, though it has a potential to generate countless leads. So what happens is that a lot of people think that Facebook is outdated because the reach is not there, the audience is not there. But trust me, guys, Facebook is a great way to generate potential leads, right? There are like countless of people in these groups, and these are like very qualified people who are looking for services in these groups. You just need to know how to exactly find these kinds of groups and what exactly to post inside these groups. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that today. Now you give it a try for 3-4 days, but then often quit without realizing that this process requires consistent efforts to yield results. So nothing like comes in just 1 day or 2 days. You have to put in consistent efforts if you want to like generate leads consistently, right? So it requires hard work. Okay, it's not something that you do today and tomorrow you are a millionaire, correct? And you don't target the right Facebook groups. Again, I've said the same thing, that you need to know what are the right Facebook groups. Then only you are able to generate the right kind of leads, right? Who are like high ticket clients who are ready to pay you high. And if you do this right, then you will never run out of leads and you will never experience dry months, because if you, or you will always have like 40-50 leads in your pipeline. Correct. Now let's start with how to find the right Facebook groups. So here are like three short methods to find the right Facebook groups. Let's start with the influencer method. Step one is search for the top influencers or competitors in your industry. Okay, so basically, what you have to do first, you have to search for the top influencers or your competitors in your industry on Facebook. Then you have to check if they have Facebook communities and you have to join these communities. Step three is to engage in the groups by offering valuable insights without pitching your services. So let me share my screen and show you how exactly that looks like. So what you have to do is that you have to search for your competitor. So one of my competitor is this person, let's say Serena Carcasol. So what I will do is that I will go to her profile and I will go to the group she has created, right? So once I know that, okay, these are her groups, so maybe I can go to this group, right? And I think I'm already in this group. So this is the group that one of my competitor has created. So there are a lot of ideal clients that she has, the same ideal clients that I have. So what I can do is that I can start providing value in these kinds of posts according to the rules the groups has, and then start generating leads through it. So that is one way of finding the ideal groups. Now the second way is competitor connection method. Step one is to add competitors to your target market or your friend list. Step two is to get to your home feed, click on groups, then on discover to see which groups your friends or competitors are part of and join those groups. So basically what does this mean is that what you have to do is that you have to start adding your ideal clients. Suppose my ideal clients are coaches and OSP. So what I will do is that I will add these kinds of people inside my Facebook. Okay, I will like send friend request, or maybe I will connect with these kinds of people. Now what I have done is I have created a community of my ideal clients inside Facebook, and also I will add my competitor as well. Right, so what I will do, I will go to Facebook, I will go to groups, and then I will go to discover in the left side of the Facebook. Okay, here discover. Now what I will see is that I will see a lot of my competitors or my ideal clients in these groups. So like 156 friends are members here. They are like my mutual friends are in these groups, right? So I will go to these groups and I will generate leads through these, like I will join these groups and I will generate leads from these groups as well. So you can see like 102 friends are members of these groups. So I will know that, okay, if my ideal clients and my competitors are in these groups, so these groups could be a great way to generate leads for me as well, right? Now third method is the keyword research method. So step one is to go to your Facebook profile and search for the keywords. Now this is the simple method. What you have to do is that go to your Facebook and search for the keywords. So keywords could be coach, doctor, it could be relationship, it could be like any real estate people. So it could be anything, right? So whatever your niche is, pick the keywords and search for those keywords and join the groups that matches your target criteria from the search results. Okay, so these are like three methods how you will be finding your ideal clients in how you will be finding your Facebook groups. Okay, now the second part of this method is how to find 40 plus hot leads in the Facebook groups. Now once the groups are decided, okay, these are the groups that I'm going to target. Okay, now you're going to focus on what exactly you're going to post and how exactly you will generate leads as well, right? That is also one main important part of the process. So these are some scripts that you're going to use to generate leads. So let me read these exact scripts that we use. So it says something like, want to know how do I book 5 sales calls every week using Messenger? I will be sharing my own live chats, comment Messenger. So I started with the desire. Okay, do you want to know how do I generate like 4 or 5 sales calls every day using the Messenger? I will be sharing my own live chats, comment Messenger. So you have seen that the kind of engagement we have gotten. We have generated like 23 leads with just one post, right? And it takes like just 2 seconds to post this. Now what you can do is that you can just tweak it according to your niche and post the same in the groups that allow these kinds of posts, right? Also, one more thing that you can do is that, see, uh, you have already created the lead magnet, right? In the first strategy, we have already taught you how to create the lead magnets through ChatGPT, how to promote them or whatever, how to leverage those lead magnets. So you don't have to like create again and again new lead magnets, right? What you can do is that you can leverage the same lead magnets here on Facebook. See, business is all about leveraging your resources, right? Your free resources and how to like repurpose things. Right, so you don't have to always create new things. You can just repurpose the same thing that you have. Like suppose this lead, this free training we have, we can use it again on different platforms to generate leads. So the same you can do, right? Here's another second example, which is lead generation has never been so easy. I created a training that will take your lead gen to the next level. Wanna check? You can see the engagement. Like we have generated 49 hot leads through this simple post. Right, so that is how you generate leads through Facebook groups. You just have to edit it according to your niche and your freebie or whatever your lead magnet. Correct? And these are the some of the results that we have gotten through these lead magnets. So you can see that a lot of people are saying me, interested in all those things. So once you do this and once you choose the right groups and you post the right things, you generate leads through that as well. Now what you can do is that you can go like start conversation with these people and take them on a call and close these people on the calls, right? And we also have one more training where we teach exactly how to talk in the DMs, or like how to convert these conversation into sales calls, right? So if you want that training as well, you can DM us. Maybe you can DM us DM training, whatever, right? You can say that DM training, and we'll send you the link of that, like the doc file of that training as well. And if you want us to repeat or like to again host that training, again DM us so we can like host that DM training again, because that is again a very powerful training on how to convert those conversation into sales calls. Now these two strategies are unfailing. This will enable you to get 40 plus highly qualified, even like 40, more than 40, like 100 plus highly qualified leads in just 3-4 days. Fill your lead pool and automate your marketing workflow. And definitely what we just taught you is incredible value, but even if you generate inbound leads, you still need to have a great offer, right? Even if people are coming to you on a sales call, you need to have a great offer to show these people, and you need to know how to do these DMs and these sales call as well, or else all this hard work of creating lead magnets or like promoting these lead magnets would not give you any tangible results. Over the past month, we have helped like many coaches and OSPs finally hit their dream revenue. Like one of our client, Jasmina, she's an energy business coach. In 70 days, she grew her income from 1K to $5,000. You can see it grows every day. Her followers grows every day, and she has around like 5 one-on-one clients and 8 group coaching clients. And this is again a transformational story. Now she's Adviti. She's a mental health coach In just 1 month, she has like 4x her ROI and was able to start an online business which she never have dreamt of. Okay, so this is her story. Inside our program, we are so confident that our strategy works, that we guarantee that we will make like you will be making at least $5,000 in the first 90 days, or we will be working with you 2x the time or return your investment. So right now the offer is 40% off till the 5th of August inside our coaching program. And to book, what you can do, the next steps is book a free discovery call with us. Okay, so Ayushi, can you please put the link in the chat? So if you want to book a free discovery call with us, the link is in the chat and you can like do that from there. Now if you have any questions about the both the strategies, you can ask and we'll be happy to answer those questions as well. And if you want to take any screenshots, you can let us know that as well. Maybe if you want to take screenshots of these slides, these are the like 15 days, what exactly you need to do. Just take screenshots, because what happens is that nobody watches the replay. Okay, nobody. That's why one more reason is that why we don't give replays, because nobody watches that, right? So take screenshots, apply these strategies. These are the strategies that really genuinely works. Apply them and let me know if you have any questions now.
Also, guys, it would be wonderful if you could leave us a feedback as to how was the session today. Really help us boost our confidence, our motivation, our energy, in order to teach you guys for free every Saturday. So please let us know how did you like the training today.
Yeah, please put it in the chat so that we can take screenshots, and it would be we would be like very happy to read your views, like your feedback.
I'll just share this link for joining our group as well. Just here's the link to join the WhatsApp group. And what's the training cost? Which training? This is free of cost.
This is a free of cost training. There's no cost to this training.
Does creating valuable posts on FB groups help in generating? Yes, absolutely. Thank you, Juhi.
Thank you, Juhi.
And someone asked DM automation on LinkedIn. You can use Octopus, but don't use too much because LinkedIn bans you. So
Correct.
be very, very careful about LinkedIn in that way. Which website should you use to create squeeze pages? You can use Topmate. Topmate. I have written it in the chat box. Topmate.io. Great webinar. Thank you so much, Jaspal.
You can also use MailerLite if you want to create
Yeah.
forms and all. So that is also a free option you have. If you want a paid option that we use, it is Flowdesk.
Flowdesk, yes.
Jaspal, great webinar full of value bombs. Thank you so much.
Also, in our 3-month coaching container, also we only give you the systems which are free, right? So there's no additional investment that you need to do. As a service provider, how do you find time to create content for yourself? See, you'll need to, you can always batch create your content. So we also batch create our content on Saturdays and Sundays. We take out time for ourselves and create our content and brainstorm it, because content is one place wherein you nurture your leads, wherein you educate people around, wherein you generate leads. Actually, your inbound leads are coming out of your content. So before anything else, you will have to take out time for your own content. Otherwise, you'll be in trouble. You'll always have to rely on references and I don't know what, because we have never, thought about not creating content.
Yeah, also we have been in the industry for so long, so we know how exactly you can create content pieces in just like 30 minutes or 20 minutes
Yeah.
pieces. And we also use ChatGPT to create content. And if you have seen my content and Ayushi's content, it doesn't look like ChatGPT, because you can like create content from ChatGPT that doesn't look like ChatGPT. So there's a way.
Facebook groups work really well, but you have to try them again and again. You cannot just put it one day, expect something to happen on the next day. Do it again and again. These are super helpful. And as I told earlier as well, you can always take those leads from one platform to another, right? We teach that in our paid program, how to take leads from one platform to the other platform where you are comfortable at. You're welcome.
Thank you so much, guys. If you have any questions, just put it in the chat. And if you have any feedback or like if you want to say something about the training, that also you can put in the chat.
Yeah, it can be a constructive feedback, destructive feedback, any kind of feedback. You just don't have to, tell it was awesome. You can also say that it was bad. So we'll take it as a feedback and work on it.
Arnika is saying awesome. Great, great.
I'll
Glad.
put the link to book the strategy call again. One second. There's the link.
Also,
Yeah, you will get the recorded video.
yeah, you will get the recorded video and thank you, Diksha. If you want the prompts, DM us prompt. If you want the doc file of how to convert those conversation into sales calls, you can also send us a message, DM training. So we'll be sending you the doc file as well. So just DM us.
Yes, absolutely, Ritika. All these things which we have told you, these we have generated using, I have 1,500 followers on Instagram, and our clients who have, in fact, Adviti, which we showed you, Adviti does not even have an Instagram page, right? And she's closed $1,800. So it is possible with less followers too, especially the Facebook group one. You can always, always, always do that, even if you do not have any followers.
Yeah, because Facebook groups, even if you have 100 followers, you can generate leads. And that's the point of these trainings, right?
Yeah.
Because you don't need thousands of followers to generate leads or convert clients. With Facebook, it's like easy to generate 40 leads every week with just the right strategies if you like apply those strategies.
Yeah. But in fact, you should never focus on, gaining followers. It's just a vanity metrics. Focus on delivering value, focus on your results, focus on generating leads using strategies which do not require you to have followers.
Yeah, or else you will be depending on the algorithm all the
Yeah.
time. We have done that, and it is so frustrating to wait for the next viral video. How long
Yeah.
you wait for that video to get viral or that LinkedIn post to get viral?
Get into the DMs, build conversations. We have already told that in the previous trainings. Get into DMs, use your content as bait, use lead magnets as bait, use Facebook, leverage Facebook groups. There are so many, strategies, lead generation strategies, which we have taught earlier in free trainings and which we teach in our paid this offer too, as to how to generate leads irrespective of your follower count, irrespective of how many views you're getting on Instagram or how many impressions you're getting on LinkedIn. So that does not matter at all.
Also, Ravisha have asked, do these classes happen every Saturday at the same time? Yes, most probably it happens on Saturdays, 11 a.m.
That depends on you guys. If you show interest, we conduct these sessions. If you do not show interest, we do not conduct these sessions. For a discovery call with lead, can I message them? Yes, you can use your TopMate account link and message them on Facebook Messenger, right? Or you can always use Calendly. It's also free. You can create one event for free. You can always use Calendly for discovery calls. And obviously, Google Meet is free. You can leverage Google Meet. Connect your TopMate or your Calendly with Google Meet, and you can always conduct your calls there.
Shreya is saying, I'm not getting good clients for influencer marketing. What should I do? Basically, you start with building your own personal brand, right? You're like creating content in the side, and then you're leveraging Facebook groups to attract these people inside your DMs, right? So basically, can you share your LinkedIn so that we can also look at that as well and then give you some personalized suggestions, Shreya?
Yeah, we'll first have to dig in what strategies are you using. For that, you can book the call with us, right?
Clients is the overall a whole kind of a concept, like a again a new masterclass could be created on getting clients. This is not a, like a specific question, what exactly you are doing, what exactly is not working. There are so many questions. Maybe you can book a call with us and then we can help you how to exactly get clients.
There's the link to book the call.
All right, guys, I think the questions are answered. If you guys want, you can just switch on your camera and we can take just a simple picture. Right? If you are like still here till 12:01.
The
If you want, we can take a picture or not, then you can leave.
guys, you are content creators. Learn to switch on the cameras.
Yeah.
Amazing, Juhi.
Hi,
Hi.
Jyoti. How are you? It's great to see when people switch on their cameras. It's like they have like they have done something.
Okay.
Let's take the picture with Juhi only. Let's
Yeah.
Juhi be the highlight of this masterclass.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much, Juhi, for like turning on your camera.
Great. We'll see you next Saturday. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Take care.